national anthem.
The Right Honorable Speaker, the Deputy Speaker and Principal Officers and members of the State House of Assembly, the Chairman of our party, members of the State Executive Council, special advisors that are here, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Speaker, let me, on behalf of the Executive and the entire people of the state, most sincerely thank you and members of your team for speedy passage of these three bills into law. We thank God Almighty that today, being the 15th of September, we've been able to assent to these various bills which has become law. These laws are very important, not only for the development of the state, but also to improve and realize and showcase our potentials in terms of particularly the first law that has to do with curtailment of rights of women. It's only in this part of our society we like to encourage what will not help us grow, instead of encouraging what other developed communities and societies do. I don't know why it is a taboo, because you're a girl, because you're a woman, you're not entitled to inherit what belongs to your father. Check in the West, in the universe. It is not there. And that is why you can see that women are given all level of to education, everything. Even if you are married out, you are still entitled to your father's inheritance. So I thank God that whoever that, it's not also easy to even think about it. Because so many people, why can you come and tell me my family, my sister should come and inherit something? I mean, I've never seen anything like that. It is not you who decide whether you have a girl or you have a boy. It's God. So put yourself in your shoe today. Where, by the mercy of God, you have 3 children, and they're all girls. And you struggled in life to see what you can keep for your children. Tomorrow, one of your uncles come, my friend, girls don't inherit. I mean, all your efforts in life, and somebody coming to discriminate because they're women. How? We have even found out today women are more useful to us than even the men. The day you are getting old, you are there, you will know that you need more daughters than men. They will leave their husband house and come to take care of you. I thank you for cooperating and let us meet up with other community of states that have told this line of making sure that women are allowed, and as by law, inherit whatever it is the entitlement from their parents. The issue of the victims of gunshots, the advantages and disadvantages of this. There are advantages and disadvantages. Because ordinarily, you are looking for kidnappers and they escape and you shoot them. And then they go to a hospital, they are given a treatment. In the next 2 days, they leave. What is the remedy? How do you try to trace that gunshot victim? I hope the remedy is clearly provided so that you won't be doing something good at the same time doing something bad. When it's the responsibility of government to protect life, the other side of it is that, well, why not let the person be alive first before we really know whether he's a criminal or not. The government has a good intention and government wants to do it at its own time, and when government knows that now it can carry out this, not a situation where, oh, people are on the radio, they are abusing us, people on the street. So it's only in this part of the country where we don't like people to demonstrate or criticize you. And when we have the money to pay, and we're paying, are you talking about the gratuity? You see, government cannot carry everything at the same time. And whether anybody likes it or not, you get a chunk of our resources go to civil service. You know. So once more, I thank you very much, and God bless you.